Hello everyone, it's Kiman here. In this video, I would like to share a bit about WooClap, which is a very interesting app to use, especially in a blended mode or even in online teaching. So you can use it to engage or wow your learners by using this particular free tool. Now, sign up for an account by going to wooclap.com, right? If you have one, then you can just log in. So you can log in using or sign in using Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, or with University. So I'm going to sign in with Google. So once you sign in, as you can see, you will have a page called Events. WooClap calls everything as event, so you just assume that your event is actually your teaching or your class. So you can create as many event as you want, but within each event, you can only have two types of questions or two types of activities. Now let me show you how. So if you go to WooClap, once you sign in, you will see this create event. So let's create one. Immediately you will see my new event automatically named, and then you will see on the right hand side the URL of your particular WooClap. So what you can do is rename this to maybe unit 1 activities, and then save it. You can also rename the URL to, well, for example, your course code, and then unit 1 like this. That would allow you to use a more easily remembered URL, and your student will be able to memorize it easily. Now, as you navigate the page, you can see there's an add presentation here in which you can upload your PowerPoint slides. It means when the learners go to this particular link later, they will be able to see your slide first, right? This is a good way for you to upload your PowerPoint slides or even your Google Slides, okay? Then, based on the slides, you can do some activities as listed down here. There's a lot here, right? You have the typical multiple choice quiz, poll. You can have a find an image, rating, open question with cloud, find a number, matching, prioritization, sorting, and all that. What I like the most here is this part called brainstorming. You know, the typical sticky note activity that we use on the mahjong paper and all this, brainstorming session that we have. This one can replace it digitally. So what you can do is just click brainstorming, and you can give the question to the students. For example, let's brainstorm some ideas about our next project, right? So you can have like category 1, category 2, depending on what category you want. It can be anything, it can be this set of keywords that you want them to focus on, and all that. Right, and then you can even add pictures if you want to by clicking this button, right? You can also allow like on answers. You can also set timer. If you are doing this in a blended mode, you can even have a time frame where it will automatically stop after a while. I'm not going to use this in this video. So once you're done, save, and it will appear down here, right? So like I told you, WooClap free account allows you to use 2 questions per event or per activity or per event, as you can see here. So if I add another question, MCQ1 A and B, for example, you will see that the moment I add another one, it will prompt me this particular pop-up, maximum number of question reached. So I have to purchase or upgrade. But I think if you are doing this as unit per unit, 2 questions or 2 activities based on 1 presentation will be more than enough, because you can create multiple units or multiple events as shown just now. Right, so how it looks like for this brainstorming, if you click start, so student would just have to go to this link. They can use their mobile phone, either individually or in groups or in pairs. Go to this link and they'll be able to type in the answers. Let me show you. So if I go to this link now, in a new tab, I will see this. So let's build a flying car, for example, and the student can decide which category is it. It's category 1, category 2, category 3, depending on whichever you want to show them. Then submit, and they can show it here. So they can submit as many as you want. Focus on study, for example. They will go to needs. So this is what the student will see, and this is what you will see when you register yourself, right? So as more answers come in, you get to sort it according to the category, right? You get to sort it without the category and so on. So it's pretty nice for you to use as a brainstorming tool. Once you're happy with the outcome, you can pause it and discuss it with your student face to face. All right. So you can try to explore other tools. So if you exit this, then you will be back to this dashboard. You can try other questions. For example, if I click this MCQ, you'll go to the same link, right? Once I start it. So remember, every time you want to edit it, you will have to stop it first before you can do any editing. If you would like to export the answers, just click export, and it will export in the form of Excel, like this one. Right, as you can see, it's in an Excel format. So very nice. You can keep a record of all the discussion that you have done and so on. So that's WooClap. Try to explore and see whether you can use it for your blended learning activities. Thank you very much.